We are pleased to show you the 2008 X-Type. The Jaguar X-Type is elegant, comfortable, and fun to drive. It represents a low cost of entry for a Jaguar and for the class. The X-Type gives its owners the distinction of driving a Jag. It also offers the benefits of full-time all-wheel drive. That makes the X-Type a good choice for rain, snow, and ice. And indeed, it feels very secure in those conditions and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, fog lights, rear fog light, braking assist, airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.